Using AI trading bots to develop a winning pocket option trading strategy involves blending advanced machine learning capabilities with disciplined human oversight to create a system that can adapt to changing market conditions and maximize profitability over time. The process begins with selecting an AI bot or platform that allows integration with pocket options trading environment, ideally one that supports real-time market data analysis, customizable strategies, and backtesting features. AI bots excel at processing massive amounts of market data, identifying subtle patterns in price action, volatility, and volume that might be overlooked by human traders. To harness this power, you must first define clear trading objectives, whether that's achieving consistent daily profits, minimizing drawdowns, or capitalizing on specific market conditions like breakouts or trend reversals. Once your goal is set, feed the AI with historical pocket option market data for the assets you want to trade, allowing it to identify recurring profitable setups. Use the bot's backtesting feature to test these setups over various timeframes and market conditions, refining parameters such as trade duration, entry points, and risk-reward ratios. AI bots can also incorporate technical indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, or moving averages into their decision-making, automatically adjusting settings when they detect shifts in market behavior. Another advantage of AI bots is their ability to operate without emotional bias, executing trades based solely on predefined logic and statistical probabilities, which reduces the risk of impulsive decisions that often plague manual traders. However, to ensure long-term success, you should avoid complete reliance on automation. Instead, use AI as an enhancement to your own market analysis. Monitor bot performance regularly, analyze losing trades, and tweak strategy parameters to keep them aligned with current market trends. You can also set the bot to trade only during high-probability market conditions, such as specific time windows when volatility is favorable, or filter trades based on economic news events that may affect asset prices. Additionally, incorporating risk management rules, like fixed percentage capital allocation per trade, stop-loss limits, and maximum daily loss thresholds, into your bot's logic can protect your account from large drawdowns. Some traders take advantage of AI's predictive modeling capabilities, using neural networks to forecast short-term price movements on pocket option and then creating an automated execution plan around those predictions. Over time, you can train the bot with fresh market data so it learns and adapts, improving accuracy and profitability. Combining AI's analytical power with your strategic oversight creates a hybrid trading approach. Fast, data-driven execution from the bot, combined with human intuition and market awareness, that can significantly increase your chances of consistent success on pocket option. By continuously refining the strategy, monitoring results, and updating the bot's learning model, you can stay ahead of market shifts and maintain a competitive edge, turning AI technology into a reliable partner for achieving long-term binary options trading success.